Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. Okay, y'all. So today I've been doing some spiritual cleansing, physically and spiritually. So I want to give you all a healing spell or healing prayer or whatever you feel that this is. My intentions is good. So before I do the prayer, and I pray to the universe that the pure souls receive this, I want to tell y'all what I wrote right here. I have a mirror because I did a live Sunday, and the lady that I drew, I got a couple of people saying that she was the reflection of them. They seen her in them. They seen their self in her. And I thought that was so beautiful how that art piece was so universal that it was the reflection of many. So with that being said, y'all always know my channel was all about inspiring, creating beautiful, wearable, indigenous, Afrocentric art. Let me calm down a little bit because I'm so excited about this. Giving y'all some of my energy. You know, starting the earrings and starting my YouTube channel in 07 was all about sharing a piece of me with y'all. And through the years, I always shared my art that was given to me divinely, and majority of y'all know the story. But like I say, when I did the live Sunday, it was just interesting how so many people seen their self in their art, and that just showed me how universal my art is. I always knew that, but it was just confirmation. So with that, into the day is the Wednesday, November the 11th. And with that, I want to give y'all see this mirror. This mirror is mainly just showing y'all because y'all are the reflection. Y'all seen yourself in their art, not just that piece. A lot of times different people see themselves in art I create. And that just showed me, it just gave me so much inspiration. So I want to share a little bit of what I wrote right here. And this right here is for this prayer, and this energy that I'm going to give y'all is for pure souls. And what I have around it, this right here is so divine because I'm getting emotional. But what I have around it is protect and heal the earth. I feel like pure souls, this is our divine duty to protect and heal the earth. And so that's one. Another one that I wrote around this beautiful heart, pure souls, is respect yourself and your ancestors. Because when you respect yourself, you're going to naturally respect your ancestors. The next thing is, this is for pure souls and divine energies. Energies that know they have a divine purpose. They haven't figured it out, but eventually they will. So this prayer is for y'all. Right here, spiritual gifts for pure souls. The spiritual gifts that you are given divinely, you have to use them to help protect and heal the earth. All this plays a part in it. And then right here, with your spiritual gifts, you have to believe in truth. You have to believe in truth. Y'all see that? You have to believe in truth. And then pure souls, pure hearts, leave your divine mark. Right here say purpose. That's one of purpose is Nia, in one of the principles of Kwanzaa. So you have to know your purpose and leave your divine mark on this earth. You leave your divine mark. You know your purpose, and you leave your divine mark when you start doing your purpose. When you have that spiritual gift and you believe in truth, so you're gonna live in your purpose. So you're gonna naturally leave a divine mark. And another thing, pure souls, we can heal and protect the earth. We can do all this, but one of the first things that we got to do is heal thyself. We got to heal thyself. So I'm going to burn this piece of sage right here. And as I burn it, I'm going to send this beautiful energy with this prayer that I'm finna say. And it's all going to just come off my throne. I'm going to send it to all the pure souls, all the reflections of each other. All right, y'all? So you can do your hands like this if you're prayer, or you can just hold, you know, any way you want to hold your hands, or close your eyes, whatever you feel, and just listen to my words. In the name of the divine God in me, in the name of the divine gods and goddess of the universe, in the name of my ancestors, in the name of my protectors, my spiritual guides, guardians, in the name of those that came before me, that inspired me, in the name of my children, in the name of those who have been blamed unjustly, in the name of the warriors that's going to rise up and fight for freedom, justice, and equality, in the name of pure souls, I pray that you all receive this beautiful prayer, that everything that you do is truthful, with great intentions, and all your wishes and dreams come true. And I also pray to the pure souls that you're spiritual, that you use your spiritual gifts to help heal humanity, that you leave a beautiful mark on the world, that you heal thyself and love thyself, and I pray to the gods in you that you find divine peace within, and you continue to be warriors for the God in you and for the many gods and goddesses of the universe. And I pray that you bury fear and plant faith. In my ancestors' name, in my name, in the gods of the universe name, and the beautiful energies that left beautiful marks on this world, that came before me and that will come after me. I say amen, a woman, ashe, so mote it be. Salam, salam.